Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're standing aboard a brand new 290 SDX inboard model. This one will have plenty of seating back in the back with little built-in leg rest if you wanted to prop your seat up. It's a great option if you start sliding off the back of the seat in the cove and just want to be stable in the seat. As you move in, this boat will have your optional grill, sink, and refrigerator. Little trash can underneath as well. Cockpit in this is going to be nice and deep, as well as have nice wide seats. So you feel sturdy in the boat. The gunnels are going to be nice and tall, so you won't have to worry about feeling unsecure in this boat. It is our transformation package, so all of these seats will flip over to give you a nice U-shaped seating in here in the back. This model is yacht certified, so there is no people capacity on this boat. We just ask that for every person on board, you will have to have a life jacket and be sitting inside the boat. Up here on the dash, you will see the large 12-inch Simrad display, fusion radio system, and single motor. This 290 will have an upgraded big block motor. The 290 will have a spacious head with the copper accents down below. As you move up into the bow, you'll notice throughout we have these glue-in SeaDek material. So this is going to be a faux teak. It's a very nice foam, so it feels comfortable on your feet when it's hot, when it's wet, and when it's cold out. Nice big open bow that is the full width of the boat and goes almost all the way up to the front. You will have a windlass anchor system on this boat, as well as stainless steel grab rails and cup holders and armrest in the bow. If you're interested in this Sea Ray 290, please give us a call. Our number is in the description below.